Okay, a little bit of geekism. This is a radar. It's piped into this via this. And that's live stuff moving around. Obviously I've got my house in there. And I've got the top one modified so I can, I'm not going to say what it is I'm looking at, but I can read medical stuff, which is not too bad. Get a hobby. Definitely worth taking the stuff up. These are medical data terminals in ambulances. So, don't know what that was about. Yeah, this is my geek night in. Obviously in this I've got filters, so if anything goes on in my area I can a little bit just turn this up a little touch, turn up to 88. It might have dropped a bit, so anyway, yeah, that's what this stuff is.